Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Imagine going to a hospital and finding that doctors cannot access patient records because of a cyber attack. This is no longer just a technology problem. Healthcare cyber attacks can delay medical services, expose private patient information, and cost organizations millions of dollars. In this video, we'll explore the biggest healthcare cybersecurity threats and the strategies hospitals and clinics can use to stay protected. Healthcare cybersecurity is the practice of protecting patient information, medical devices, hospital networks, and healthcare systems from cyber threats. Unlike other industries, healthcare handles extremely sensitive data, including patient medical records, insurance information, personal identification details, medical device information. Because of this valuable data, healthcare organizations have become major targets for cyber criminals. Let's look at the biggest threats affecting healthcare today. Ransomware attacks. Ransomware is one of the biggest challenges facing hospitals. Attackers lock important files and demand payment to restore access. These attacks can disrupt appointments, delay treatment, and affect critical healthcare operations. Phishing attacks. Many healthcare breaches start with a simple phishing email. Attackers create fake messages that appear legitimate and trick employees into sharing passwords or clicking harmful links. With AI technology, these phishing attacks are becoming more realistic and harder to detect. Medical device vulnerabilities. Modern hospitals rely on connected medical devices such as monitors, scanners, and smart equipment. If these devices are outdated or poorly secured, attackers may use them as entry points into hospital networks. Insider threats. Not every security risk comes from outside hackers. Accidental mistakes by employees, weak passwords, or improper access permissions can also expose sensitive information. So, how can healthcare organizations improve cybersecurity? First, use multi-factor authentication. Passwords alone are no longer enough. MFA adds an additional security layer and makes unauthorized access much harder. Second, keep systems updated. Regular software updates and security patches help fix vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. This is especially important for medical devices. Third, train healthcare employees. Employees are the first line of defense. Regular security training helps staff recognize phishing emails, suspicious activity, and unsafe practices. Fourth, protect patient data. Healthcare organizations should monitor who can access sensitive information and limit permissions only to those who need it. Fifth, prepare an incident response plan. No organization wants a cyber attack, but preparation matters. A strong recovery plan helps hospitals respond quickly and reduce damage. Many healthcare organizations make cybersecurity mistakes such as relying only on antivirus software, ignoring outdated medical devices, not testing backups regularly, providing insufficient employee training, treating compliance as complete security. Meeting regulations is important, but cybersecurity requires continuous protection. Healthcare cybersecurity is not just about protecting computers. It is about protecting patients, medical services, and trust. As cyber threats continue to evolve, healthcare organizations must take proactive steps with stronger security tools, employee awareness, and regular system monitoring. The best defense is preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.